I love coconut oil. It can be a solid when it's cold, and then when you warm it up, even just with your hands, it'll melt. It smells really nice. It's really clean. Lubricants, which is something everybody wants to talk about, right? But I'm a gynecologist, so I don't mind talking about it. Lubrication can be really important for women who are experiencing vaginal dryness on a regular basis, and also to help in sexual activity and enjoyment. I personally favor using kitchen stuff. It's, non-toxic and it's readily available. It actually works better for a lot of people too, because it won't absorb so quickly. It doesn't make quite the same amount of mess. It stays slick. And if you're going to put it in your vagina, I actually think it should be something you would put in your mouth. It's very much absorptive, and it'd be nice to keep the chemicals and the weird stuff out of the vagina. I love coconut oil. It can be a solid when it's cold, and then when you warm it up, even just with your hands, it'll melt. It smells really nice. It's really clean. Another great one is safflower oil or sunflower oil, because there's odorless. You could add a little bit of nice organic essential oil, and just a couple of drops will do it to get a nice aroma going and also to set the mood. It's kind of like it's like a DIY project for your vagina.